Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through some common dock maintenance for your eufy C20. This is the eufy Omni C20. It'll be linked in the video description if you're interested in this product. Let's go ahead, let's get right into it. Let's look at the station and some common things that we can keep an eye on. We'll start with the top. Obviously, we have our clean and dirty water tanks. You can periodically empty, wash, and rinse those. Specifically, the dirty water tank, as soon as it starts to get water collected in it, it's in your best interest to empty it as soon as possible so you don't get odors that build up in here. I also like to leave a little bit of soap in the bottom. I like to think that helps a smidge, but you'll still get an odor built up if you let this sit for a while, so keep that in mind. And then if it does get odor, you just really got to wash and rinse it thoroughly. You can keep an eye on this portion. You can wipe it down as needed. You got a couple different holes here that you want to make sure you don't have any debris or clogs or things like that. Further down in the center, we have where our vacuum bag is stored, so we can pop the cover off. This is where you're going to be able to easily change and swap out vacuum bags. Inside here, you'll notice we have this little guy that you think you'd be able to twist off. We haven't had much luck being able to get it off, and I don't want to break anything here, but if you ever need to, you can grab some compressed air and clean that. Same with the channel on the side here. That's where all the contents and debris are actually going to accumulate, where my finger is going through right now. So you can clean in there if you ever notice anything start to build up, or even if you get any little clogs. Compressed air in here too, just to get any crumbs or debris that may have escaped the seal of the vacuum bag. And at the bottom where all the magic happens, same thing, we have our chute for the self-empty, so keep an eye on that for any dirt or debris that's accumulating. Charging contacts, you can make sure those are free from any obstructions. And then down at the bottom, this is removable, so we can go ahead and pop out that tray to wash and clean as needed. And then you can just grab like a Lysol wipe to wipe this down if you notice any leftover water or dirt residue down at the bottom. And then if you ever notice a lot of debris building up in here, just grab like an old toothbrush and you can clean those out as needed. And that's it for the stand. It's very simple and straightforward. It basically takes care of itself with some occasional wiping down or scrubbing as needed if you notice any dirt or debris building up.